अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है?
ठीक है जी, बिल्कुल।
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइएगा और जो आज हमारा जो फैमिली अलायंस का पेरेंटिंग के हवाले से जो हुआ उसके बारे में कुछ बताइएगा।
जी, thank you very much. Alhamdulillah, my name is Hassan Kaleem. I am in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I'm hematologist oncologist. And I was lucky enough to attend this session on the parenting and the leadership qualities. And I think this was one of the best event I have attended, one of the best lectures session I attended. And not only this thing that I attended, but I also took some slides, pictures. I shared my other colleagues as well, because we all have parents. We are parents ourselves. So it is a bridge that we, because of new generation, we just have to learn how to tackle with them, how to communicate with them in the best effective way. So I think that today's session, in terms of the leadership qualities and how to best as a parent, I think it will go a long way, at least for myself. I'm very sure for others as well.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.